How awesome would it be to steal your competitors' traffic? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to steal your competitors' traffic on YouTube ads, specifically for real estate agents. If you're a real estate agent, it is very common and probable that you have somebody on YouTube, if it's not already you, that is talking about your area, your real estate market, this neighborhood versus that neighborhood, overview of the city, what to do in the city, top 10 things to do in your area. And so what if you could be in front of those videos, right? How powerful would it be to be in front of all of those videos with a strong call to action that drives leads for your business? So that's exactly what we're gonna go over in today's video. We're gonna go over the script that you can use, the landing page that you can use, how to go and actually find those videos that you can be in front of, all of that A to Z. And so we're gonna dive into the computer here and show you exactly what I would do. All right, so on YouTube, what we can do is just search for Plano, Texas, right? So we'll do Plano, Texas and see what comes up. From there, you would go and this is a Plano, Texas full tour, best Dallas suburb, right? So I would take that video, I would copy its link. So share, and I would just copy the link and come back and I would create a Google Sheet and I would just paste that in there. And then I would just go and check out, this is life in Dallas, Texas. So I would click on that, see what content she is providing if she's a real estate agent, and maybe you can just target the whole channel itself if it's a really good channel. Some of these channels are more like influencers, so it's like full day of living in Dallas, Texas, and then they have a bunch of nonsense about makeup or whatever it is, right? You don't want to target that channel, but you might want to target that specific video, right? Because if you're coming in here and you're doing let's say Plano versus Frisco, right? So the first one that popped up. You can look at all these videos, right? This is living in Dallas, Texas. This is, looks like a real estate agent that is targeting people who are moving to Texas from out of state. So that's a really powerful channel. It's got 12,000 subscribers, pretty darn good, right? So we want to stay in front of all of these people. And so do your research, copy and paste different, you can do both channels. So you would just go to this channel and you would just copy in moving to Texas, right? And we come back here, and you can even create videos versus channels. So this would be just a channel. And so we can copy that in there. Just do your research. I would come up with all kinds of videos, all kinds of channels that you can stay in front of, and we're going to use that for our YouTube ad. So diving into YouTube ads, if you don't already have an account, you just go to ads.google.com and set up your account, and it'll look like this. We're going to click on New Campaign, and for us to stay in front of channels with placements is what it's called. We can only use one objective here, and it's brand awareness and reach. YouTube is not allowing, or Google is not allowing us to do leads or website traffic for the placement specific targeting. And so you can do keywords, you can do, if you could go to Zillow.com and you do Plano, Texas, or your area, obviously. We can come in here and just take this whole URL, copy it, and we can create a audience based around that. And you can actually go to YouTube, go to one of these, let's go to this gal's and let's go to her about and see if she has a website that we can use. Right, so it's Dana Pollard Group. So, that's her Instagram. Dana Pollard Group. Let's see if she has any on her videos. Sorry, Dana, if you're watching this. Anyway, you would want to go and find a website that you can use, and then you can come and you can target, if anybody's clicking on these or any other traffic that she has, you can steal your competitor's website traffic that way too. All right, so going back to our YouTube ad here, we're gonna choose brand awareness and reach, video, and then we're just gonna click video reach campaigns and efficient reach, which is skippable in stream. Click on continue. From here, you can name this whatever you want to name it. We're gonna do off-market properties. We're gonna do a daily budget of $50 a day. You can do as low as 25, but not much lower than that. All right. We're gonna do no end date here, scroll down. We're we're gonna do everybody in the United States. The beautiful thing about utilizing this strategy is they're probably looking to move from another area, right? So then they might be in Fort Worth looking to move to Dallas, or they might be in Austin looking to move to Dallas, or they might be in California, or who knows where they're looking from, right? And so we want to do all of the United States, right? From here, we can't do anything with related videos or anything like that, so we're just going to choose additional settings. We're going to frequency cap this, so we're going to cap view frequency at per week. We're going to do like 5 per week. The reason for that is just because if they're watching it over and over and over again, and they're not taking action on it, right? We don't necessarily want that to happen. So we want to always be reaching new people. But if they see it 5 times a week, they're probably going to remember it. That's 20 times a month. So frequency capping it at 5 is a good option here. Ad group name, we're just going to call this, depends on what you're looking for here, right? So like ad group name is the targeting that we're going to use. So you can do keywords, you can do placements. So we're just going to do YouTube competitors. From here, you can choose any placement. And this is where you would come in and utilize your, we'd come in here, we'd utilize this channel, and we'd paste that in here. See what comes up. And so YouTube channel came up, no matching results, but all of these videos are on here. So you can do California's moving to Texas, all of these things, right, are in here. But that's not what we want to necessarily. So if we come back to this, let's see if we can target this video. All right, so YouTube video, so we got this video, right? So we can target that video. You can come in there, and if you wanted to, you could just go to this channel, and if the channel's not showing up for whatever reason, right, you would just go to videos and you would just copy and paste all of her videos that you think are really good for your market, right? Come back in here, paste all of those in here, and now you have your targeting, okay? So now is where you would upload your YouTube video and have that be your ad, right? So quick video script for that is, it doesn't need to be that long, right? 60 to 90 seconds will do wonders. And for this video, what I would personally do is say off-market properties, because they're probably searching on Zillow. They might be searching on, Life in Dallas, Texas, that person's, their website or wherever, right? And so we have a list of off-market properties, a secret seller map, if you will, for people who are foreclosing on a property, flips in progress. Maybe you do a dream home finder buyer program, which we do a lot of, which is basically saying, hey, we're gonna market to Plano, Texas, and find property owners, homeowners, who are looking to sell without listing their house on the market. All right, that's a dream home finder program. But we also have really good relationships with real estate investors and all of these things, right? We got pocket listings. If you're with a brokerage, not to be named, nationwide, who has all of their property listings on a tool called Raven, then you've got a bunch of off-market properties that are coming soon that they can't find anywhere else. So off-market properties is really good. So for what that script would look like is, hey, are you looking to buy in Plano, Texas? I have a list of off-market properties that you can't find anywhere else, not on Zillow, Realtor.com, Trulia, nowhere else can you find these properties. These are foreclosures, and then you go in to kind of explain how you get the properties, and you say, hey, click the link below and we will give us some information. We'll schedule a 5-minute quick discovery phone call to find out which neighborhood you're looking for, your must-haves, all that stuff, so that we can find some off-market properties for you, and we can even go to bat for you and do some marketing in those areas and find off-market properties. Click the link below, give us your information, book a 5-minute discovery phone call, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon, right? That is a quick video script that you can use. Super fast, 60 seconds to 90 seconds. Doesn't have to be super complex. All right, so now if you have your video URL, you'll just paste in your YouTube URL, which is going to be this video. Obviously, this isn't necessarily the ad that you would want, but it is a video. So you'd want to have a thumbnail that would be really attractive, right? Or enticing, right? So off-market properties, you could have that. It would look almost exactly like this, but the headline would be, Plano secret seller map, right? All right, so now that you have your YouTube ad in or your video in, we need a landing page. And so what that looks like is it's going to be off-market properties. It's going to look exactly like this. So it's going to say, attention, your area, home buyers here get access to your company secret seller map, right? So, if you're the Middlesworth group or whatever you are, right? It would be your company. You can see what that looks like. If they go to exit out, it's going to show this, or if they click on this, it's going to show this, right? So it's full name, email, phone number. And then after they submit this, it's going to go to a quick page, which I'll show you here. So this is, attention, city name, your company name, and that's what that looks like there. The seller map, the thank you page will look like this. Gonna say, hey, thank you. We'll send you some info. One more step, 5-minute discovery call. We run specific marketing. You can see what this looks like, right? They're gonna click on this and fill out some information to schedule a call with you, and they book that appointment, right? And so to utilize that page, we're just gonna come back here and use this. Come back to your YouTube Google ad for your YouTube ad, and you just paste that in there. Now, it has to be the direct URL, right? It can't be a bit.ly link or like a redirect in any form or fashion for this to work. So it has to be, obviously you'd want this to be your URL. So it'd be, Adam Middlesworth or Adam Sells Plano or whatever that would be for the ad. All right, so the ad name would be off market properties to schedule discovery call. Right, from there you have your ad, right? And so CPM bid would be like cost per mile. So it'd be for 1,000 impressions, whatever that would be. And I would just choose whatever they recommended here, right? And you would click on create campaign. And now you have your ad showing in front of your competitors, which is awesome. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, I upload videos every single week based around real estate marketing, mortgage marketing, as well as follow-up and all things real estate related. So make sure that you subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.